Hey buddies, how are you all? Today I would like to discuss about an important data engineering interview question, that is how we are going to handle missing values in Pandas DataFrame. Okay, so for this I'm going to create or take one CSV as input. On top of it I'm going to create the data frame, and we will see how we are going to handle missing values at the end. So once I create the data frame, I'm going to use Dropna to remove the cards who's having missed values or missing values. Okay, after that I'm going to make use of Fillna. Within Fillna there are multiple approaches. We can make use of forward fill, backward fill, and we can also make use of mean. Okay, so let's see how we are going to answer this particular question with practical knowledge. So I'm going to make use of Google Colab. It is free for everyone. You can sign up and make use of this one for data engineering uh, practice. So I'm taking new notebook here actually. So now I'm initiating Pandas library, and I'm going to create data as dictionary. So I'm not going to import any CSV file. Instead of importing, I'm going to tell you how we're going to create one CSV file and place it here actually. Okay. In this Google Colab, you can also make use of this upload option to upload any local CSV file and make use of it to do analysis. But here I'm going to show you how we are going to create one CSV file here itself. Okay, so I am taking two columns for easy understanding. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking two columns actually. The one is name and the second one is marks. So for Brahma, I'm giving 95. For Narasimha, I'm giving 99. For Srini, I'm giving 9. Okay, so this is my data. So let's create data frame out of it. Df is equal to pd dot data frame data. Something is not right here actually. Oh, okay. So I forgot to add comma here. Should be okay now. Well, let's see the data foundation now. Super. Brahma 95 and Nasimha 99 and Nasini message value. Okay. Now let me write this to CSV. It is in df. Now let me give one path. CSV file path. Student details. Okay. Now Now using this one, it should create one CSV file here. Let's see. Let me execute this and let me refresh this. See. Now I have created one CSV file. I'm not importing any from my local. So my CSV file is having two columns. The one is name and marks. Now let me make use of this particular CSV and show you how we are going to handle the missing values. So I need to call this CSV file. So if you go here and you can get the path. Now let me create the def out of it. Ed read underscore CSV file path. Okay. It should work. Yeah, it's working. Let me see the values. Yeah, values are there. Now, as discussed here earlier, so I'm going to make use of these options to handle the missing values. First, I'm going to use Dropna. So df.dropna, if you use this particular option, based on the design, it should remove the records having missed values or null values. Okay, let me execute this. See for marks it is having no value, so it got removed here. Now let me handle that using Fillna. So Fillna is the option where you can fill these kind of missing values. Okay, now I just want to give some random number. I can also give 88 if I run this file. So now Srini is having 88 marks. Okay, this is one way where we can make use of df.Fillna. So the actual formula is df.Fillna some value, whatever you want to give. Okay. The next approach would be forward fill. Okay. So if I use this one, let's see what happens. See, forward fill, what is happening here? So when you use a forward fill, so whatever is there before the null value or missing value, it will take that value and fill the next missing value. Okay, that is how forward fill works. But when it comes to backward fill, whatever is there next to the missing value, the next value will be filled with this particular missed value. Okay, let me show you how it works. df dot backfill. Okay, now as per my explanation, it should give you null again because there is no another value after string. Okay, let me explain you this again. So if there is any another next value after Srini, suppose let's consider there is another record like uh, Sundar with 75. If you use backfill for Srini also, it will fill with the 75, because now within our data there is no next record, right? That's why it kept only null value. Let me show you how that works. Let me quickly add another record here, so you will understand it. Sundar, for Sundar I am giving okay 77 marks. Okay, let's see what happens. Let me rerun this here, and I'm going to rerun this too. Okay, the new record is available here, Sundar. Now uh, let me rerun Dropna. So I have three records. The one which got missed here is Srini, because it is having no value, and if I use Fillna with 88, it will give me four records. Okay, now when it comes to forward fill, the same, but for this one only I have added a new record now. Okay, let's see what happens. It should fill this particular missing value with 77. Okay, let me run this. This is how it works. Okay, hope you hope you are getting it now. So there is another approach. We can make use of df dot Fillna df dot mean. So it will calculate the mean for this marks. Okay, let me calculate the mean first and explain you the next step. Okay, the mean is 90. Okay, the mean is 90 here. So if I use this one df dot fill with the mean, okay, whatever we get for the mean, right, the 90.33, using this fill option, this value will be, and here if you see this one, here, I have given the value randomly, but when it comes to this option, you are asking to fill the value with df.min, means it will initially calculate the mean. After that, it will fill the missing value with that particular mean value. Let me show you that. See, so uh, see, this is the value. Okay, see whatever we get, right, for mean, this missed value filled with this main. Okay, this is how we handle the missed values or missing values or null values in real time. So hope you understand it better. If you want this particular code, I can give you the link. Actually, you can make use of this, and using this Google Colab, you can practice it. Practice makes math perfect. Okay. Thank